So you did a reasoning for us years ago in Jamaica, right? I wasn't there, but Ryan and Emily were there, and you mentioned watching Vaughn Benjamin record 11 songs in one day, right? What was that experience like for you? And do you remember which album it was for? More broadly, I want to ask, what have you learned from working with legendary artists like Vaughn, and how have those moments influenced your creative process?
Well, that's how we normally do it, 10, 15 songs for the day. Even in Jamaica, man like Lutan Fyah, man like Lotion, a man like Chesedek, Brilliance, Sizzler, 10, 15 songs we sing at the time. So when I was in St. Croix, Christian Stead, Tippy, me there pass Tippy Gates. So we'd have a few songs, cause we'd create an album named Music Never Die. Vaughn was on the island at the time. So we stopped by in our studio and Vaughn would have some songs to complete too. And thing. Yeah, and Vaughn write him song them one and sing them piece of paper. I don't remember the project already. But I know two of those songs was collab with Lutan Fyah.
Well, did some of those songs end up on Beauty for Ashes?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, but yeah. Song like
When John Rise or something?
them that day we did that song.
Yeah, so that's
When Jah arise.
yeah.
That day we did that song and the next song called me tell you something what's I know them, Beauty for Ashes. And I say, same time, similar thing, same time. Them tune there. Yeah man, I think a Beauty for Ashes
Beauty Fire, because it's the same time around
album.
your
Yeah
album
man.
came out and it has been.
I was there when them I was there when we do that
So you
project
said,
there.
hold on, you said you write down the tune, then record.
Yeah, I'm write them on piece of paper and listen the rhythm and like the big split and go make him record the song, A lot of man do it, some man. Man like Gargamel and them man. Them man they spend a little time write him song properly. And just go sing it for 10 minutes though. 10 minutes. The man that spend you can hours to get the song together and just 5 minutes. Bang! The man the great teacher.
What? I want to talk
But it
about
was a thing with
experiences
Vaughn because Vaughn thing lyrical
different.
and spiritual. And when him a go in it, him a go in your bone too and we are lift up when him a lift up to some. It was a different experience and thing and I was glad to be there with them. Apart from stopping by at stage shows and backstage and reasoning and thing. Studio session. It was a good vibe, man. When for about 4 or 5 days making music.
What did you take from Vaughn to add to yourself before I say the other part? What aspect of
Well,
his
for me, Vaughn is new in every song. That's what I take from Vaughn.
explain what you mean by that?
Be new in every song, meaning you try just have a different vibe and a soul expression in every tune. That's what I realize about Vaughn. Vaughn is a at the moment man. Vaughn sings sometime and not well. You know what I mean?
Oh no.
Sick. I sing. And the song come out away and I say, that's how I am now.
Just let it be. Because Tippy did tell me that.
That's how I am now is the thing.
Yeah.
It's me same one. I saw me sound today. I miss same one. But I'm if you hear a little host or a little difference. It's me. It's I. So that me learn from being around the vibe. A lot of reasoning and thing. Communicate. Irie. It's not like, yeah, it's a good vibe, man.
And people didn't realize he was sick for so long. I know the story like he just dropped out, but he was sick for a period of time.
Yeah, I heard that he was not well for a while, Me not know, me hear. And thing. And yeah.
Any other artists that you really later on in your career now, not younger, but later on that you really observed and took something from him and added that to
Well, I took something from every Jamaica artist, you know, man.
you? Explain something, please.
Name it. A sound, a slur, a way how to breathe, a way how to express.
All right.
Cause remember we know have not tutorial about how to do music. We don't take ourselves and say we are a singer.
Breath control then. Who did you really get the breath control game from?
Let me can tell you. You have a musician we sing culture and western. Seeing him name Michael Bublé. I listen to him every day. I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. Broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. I fight myself in, I fight myself out. I get all worked up, then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses, and I thought of every possibilities. And I know someday it would all work up. When you made me work so we could work to work things out. And I promise my kids I'll give just more than I get. They just haven't met me yet. Listen to them Monday. Every day. And I really listen to him and realize, say, yo, just talk. Just like your sound just as all your reason. You just put a little breath more or take off a little breath more. You know? It's a natural voice, no additive, no try to tweak or nothing. Just as though you hear me talk, that's the kind of breathing I used to sing.